to add the text in Premiere Pro, simply click on the text icon and then click anywhere on the screen and then type whatever you want. You could easily move the text anywhere on the timeline, and by dragging it from the left or right, you could increase or decrease its duration. And now if you select the select tool, you can grab the corners of this text layer and increase its size. Make sure your select tool is selected and you select the text layer. Then select effect controls, and now you can see the text properties. Here you could increase and decrease the size of the text by changing this number. You can change the text color by clicking on here and selecting a color. You can add stroke by enabling stroke. You can add a background, and you can adjust the background by increasing or decreasing the background transparency and the background margin. There is another way to also move the text with respect to the screen, and also you could change the opacity of the whole text with its background. You could also change the text font. And finally, if you want to edit what you have typed, you can simply double click on the text itself, then it goes inside the text box and you can add text. Obviously, if you click again inside and press Ctrl A, you could select all the text.